Hi guys, welcome back to my kitchen. So today we're going to make another keto recipe, and this one is for our breakfast. And it's a keto egg bake, and it's going to be egg, sausage, onions, and mushrooms. So these are all the ingredients that we're going to have, and I kind of got everything situated beforehand. So we have 8 eggs, pepper jack cheese, half and half, sharp cheddar. I diced maybe like 5 mushrooms, 1 small red onion. Then I have hot Italian sausage for myself and sweet Italian sausage for my husband because he doesn't like the hot and spicy. And I have one 8x13 pan that's been greased. And this is a great keto breakfast that you can make, and then when it's all set, you just pop it in the refrigerator, and then you just take pieces out for the week before you go to work, or if you get up, and then you can just cut your piece, microwave it, and you're all set to go. So in the eggs, we're gonna add a little bit of half and half, and you can use milk if you wanted to. You can use heavy cream, but it has to be some kind of a cream because you don't want the carb. So I'm just gonna pour a little bit in there, and I just kind of eye it, so there is no exact measurement. I just kind of made this up as I went along. So we're just gonna blend the eggs and the half and half really well. I just want to get it all blended. And I would say for 8 eggs, it's about 1/2 cup of heavy cream, or half and half. That looks pretty well blended. And now I'm going to add in my small red onion and my few mushrooms that I did. I think I did 5. And you're just going to give that a good blend. And then to that, I'm going to add some garlic powder. I'm going to add a little bit of salt. And that is just to taste. So if you do want salt or don't want salt or pepper, just either add it or don't add it in. I'm going to throw in a little bit of pepper, but not too much. And a little paprika. And then I'm going to throw in some pepper jack cheese, and just like 1 good handful is good, and then a good handful of the sharp cheddar cheese. And now with everything in there, we just mix it again. And it's going to be really cheesy because we're going to use some more cheese on it too. And then it should just kind of look like this all mixed together. So then we're going to take our greased casserole dish, and we're going to add our egg mixture in it. Like so. And then what I'm going to do is, normally you would just kind of mix this all in, but I'm going to keep it separate just so the hot sausage is on one side and the mild is on the other side. So this will be my side. So I will just place it right on the top. Like this. And you could use ground sausage, you could use pork if you wanted to put steak and peppers. I mean, you could pretty much do it with anything. That's my side. And then I'm going to take the milder sausage and put it on the other side. And we kind of like ours kind of sliced in bigger pieces, but like I said, you can use the ground if you wanted to, or steak or pork or anything else like that. You could cut up a hamburger, whatever you like. Just like this. then you can see that like half has the hot and the other half has the mild. And I'll remember which one is which. So now what I do is I take some more sharp and put it on the top. And then I'm going to take some more pepper jack. And if you wanted to use, you know, Swiss or provolone, you could use any kind of cheeses you would like. This is just the two that we happen to like. And we love cheese, as you could tell. So I'm kind of heavy-handed with it, but you could add a little or as much or as little as you would like. I think that's good. Now, just so that we can mark it, I'm just going to kind of make a little line down the center. But like I said, I'll remember. I'm on the left and my husband's on the right. Just like so. So now we're going to pop it in to a 350 oven for about 20 minutes. And then we're going to check it. And if it needs to go in a little bit longer, then we'll let it go in a little bit longer. So I will see you guys back in 30 minutes. Hey guys, so I just took it out of the oven and this is what it looks like. And I'm going to cut a piece off and just give you guys a quick look. Okay guys, so I have it plated and this is what it looks like. You can see the sausage and the mushrooms and everything and all the cheesy goodness. So anyway, that's how you make my sausage and cheese egg bake. And if you try any other variations or anything like that, please leave a comment down below. I'd love to know what your creations are and what you like in yours. So until next time, guys, I'll see you later. Bye-bye.